Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Ashish Sunil Ken. I am from Civil Engineering Department, Jhel Polytechnic, Nare. We are here to discuss about of a topic, make a report on function of chief engineer function in subdivision. Our group members are here. प्रगती उत्तरेश्वर रेल्वे, हिमांशु सुभाष जाधव, अनिकेत माहिपत मालसरे, साहिल संजय कपड़े, and our guidance name is Pratapराव Patil sir, and our subject teachers Ajinkya Bagade sir. Vision and mission of institute. Vision: transforming dreams into the reality by developing an individual potential through spread of knowledge and wisdom in healthy environment. Mission: implement to comprehensive teaching learning process to the create competent student focus and character building through a range of curricular and extracurricular activities, motivate to student, identify social need and providing engineer solution. Vision and mission of department. Vision: to create competent, self-disciplined, morally strong civil engineer with the capabilities of accepting challenges of ever advancing technology for the benefits of society. Mission: to import quality education in civil engineering, to raise the satisfaction level of the stakeholders, to motivate students for the practice learning by the creating conducive atmosphere. Course name: Contracts and Accounts, course code 22601, semester 6. Content: first, content name of category, technical wings, engineer in chief, chief engineer zonal office, chief engineer design and monitoring, superintending engineer, executive engineer, assistant engineer, junior engineer, senior technical assistant, senior hydrologist, junior geophysicist and junior geologist, junior hydrologist, agriculture development and officer. Chief engineer chart. Chief engineer: he submit the budget proposal to the government respect of all original maintenance marks in jurisdiction and the exercise control over the expenditure in the collaboration with the account general of the state. Following power assigned to civil engineer. First, financial administrative approval of works other than building up to 25,000, acceptance of the tenders for the works by contract full powers, sanction deposit work full power, technical to accord the technical sanction for the original work and repairs up to 5% in excess of the administratively approved amount. Superintending engineer. Civil engineer is responsible to the civil engineer for the following in respect of the circle: administrative technical control of the circle, exercise for financial control over execution of the original and repair works, inspect the works he in his circle, arrange the procurement of the store, inspect division he is circle and report of civil engineer. Executive engineer: to set that work is taken in hand without the administrative approval and the allotment of the funds and technical sanction. To exercise effective supervision on the works, he is a division to see that contractors' accounts are properly maintained, carries inspection of the office of assistant engineer and SDO at least once in a year. Ensure that all tools, plant and machineries are properly maintained. Assistant engineer: arrange stock, execution progress and the completion of original work, check work in progress, maintain the construction accounts, physical verification and measurement book, check must rolls and then take proper care of cash and stores. Junior engineer: supervision of all works, maintain the attendance of the departmental works, take measurement of all works, measurement book, prepare running bills and the final bill. Senior technical assistant: senior hydrologist, senior hydrophysicist, junior geophysicist, junior geologist and junior hydrologist. Then agricultural development officer, he will be responsible too. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.